This evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home. You must stay at home. You must stay at home.
Oh, that's for the gram. That one will go on Facebook. Yeah. Oh yes, I've been waiting ages for this. This has passed some time. Awesome. That passed the whole 2 minutes. Great.
Across the field.
Get out of the way.
Post crashed alien ship or something.
Shut up! Sorry. Clean again. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if it made you laugh or just brought a smile to your face or just took you out of a bit of boredom during these sort of times. Also, don't forget to grab yourself a Sam's Detailing sample box kit. I'll put a link in the description box below and also a little discount code as well. It's pretty cool and I'm pretty impressed with it. Check the link in the description. And I know this type of video is a little bit different to what we normally film, but it's just something I wanted to film in between the two projects that we've got going on. So if you are genuinely bored and have got nothing to do or watch and you've found this channel just through this video, then click in the top right hand corner now. Why don't you watch the S5 project, which is running along the channel at the minute. Obviously you guys that are already subscribed, you know all about the S5 anyway. Or why don't you start watching the Q5 project. Now there's only a few videos on this so far, but the wrap has arrived, which is here. So we'll be wrapping that in the next video, because obviously the front end of this car is completely different colour to the rear end of the car. So yes, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Make sure you share it with your friends if you found it funny as well. We'll be back to usual videos next Thursday with the project on the Q5, and hopefully we can get another little project on the go, depending on how long this sort of lockdown is going to last. So something to keep me busy, something to keep you busy watching as well. But thanks for watching the video. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed already as well. Always forget to mention that, and every single person who comments on the previous videos as well. Thank you to all of them, it really helps me out. See you next Thursday, guys, 6 PM. Peace.